Gandhi Jayanti actually to honor our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji, really on 2nd October, and on that account it has been arranged on the dates which are very close to the 2nd October, the Gandhi Jayanti. It is fixed today only to develop the health awareness actually among the students. Your fitness must be at the top priority, and when we run for the DAV, it is showing to the society actually to represent DAV as one unit and not DAV as one unit. Then further it is elaborated as our society as one unit. So this is the motto of this program, which was initiated by our director, Dr. V. Singh, last year, with the consent of our president, Sri Poonam Suryaji, Padma Sri Dr. Poonam Suryaji. You are knowing he is the president of DAV College Managing Committee, and he initiated. And the sports and the fitness, these are organized on very mass scale. You know, in the sports at the cluster level or state level or the national level, we going to organize. And further, we are talking to the international levels also. To promote this, our players have received a large number of scholarships after winning gold medals at national level. Only from my school, 3 students got the prize of 5,100, and similarly in other schools too. I think in DAV Monidi also six. Five. Lodhana. Yes. Kusunda sir. How many? Kusunda five. Means in all schools you are getting. So more than 1,600 gold medalists have received that prize. And just calculate how much money is spent. 1,600 into, it was 1,550 something, and into 5,100. It will go in crores. And when you go for the national sports or cluster level, every school spends a lot of money. Lot of money. आपको बेटा per day 750, and if you go for 3-4 days, you just imagine on every student, including that train fare, other more than 6,000 rupees per student. It is costing from this. We are bearing. Why? Just to promote sports and fitness among yourself, so that you carry it in your future life. The fitness is the most important part of the life. अदरवाइज आप कितने भी बड़े वो हो जाओ, तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, फिटनेस नहीं है, तो आपका जो वर्क आउटपुट है वो कमजोर हो जाएगा. अगर टीचर फिट नहीं है तो 5 पीरियड के बदले 3 ही पीरियड पढ़ाए, 2 पीरियड क्या करेंगे, क्लास में बैठे रह जाएंगे, है ना, और आपको टाइम पास की दे चलो ये बनाओ. तो इट इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर ऑल. हम तो स्कूल में तो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द टीचर्स, बट इन द ऑफिसेस अगर आपकी फिटनेस ना हो तो देखो, हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर इतने आवर्स वर्क करते हैं, हाउ उनका एक डिसिप्लिन रूटीन है, ही सो फिट कि वो लोग रात तक भी, उसके बाद कुछ ही घंटे सोते हैं फिर रेडी हो जाते हैं. The main motto of this DAV run is for fitness. Remember this. This is a message for you, that you carry this fitness exercises, run every day, walk every day, so that you will be fit. And those who are the players, they must play, they must practice. And in the month of November, we are going to organize this national sports at Delhi. And tentative date is that 21st of the November. We have to be prepared for that. As soon the circular will come, every school will be informed and your tickets will be. Thank you very much. Bharat Mata ki.
भारत माता